Who wants to learn 9 dance in 10 minutes? Me. 9 dance in 10 minutes. Okay, let's go first through elements of dancing. So what is number one element of dance is walks. So walks. So walks. What kind of walks we have? We can go forward, back, side, and other side. So let's everybody walks forward. Walk, 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 and we stop. Excellent. We go back, walk, 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 walk. We stop. We can go also where? To the side. Back, side, side, or we can go also where? Another side. So what is the number one element of the dance? Walks, walks, walks or step. And normally when we go forward and back, we call it walks. When we go side, we call it steps. But walk, steps, doesn't matter, same thing. So we can walk, okay? So this is number one element. Remember this, walks. Everything you're gonna do in dancing will have walks in it. In ballroom dancing, partner dancing. Okay, so number two element is box step. Box step. So let's go. We're gonna start with the left. We go forward, side, together, and we change weight. And we go back, side, together. And to do a box step, we're using what? Walks. So we do one walk forward, one walk side, and together. Together is also a side walk together. Okay? So you go from the left, forward, side, together, and change weight here, back, side, together. So how many elements of dance you know already? Two, walks and box step. Of course, box step is build within the walks. So let's do box step again. So go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So already by knowing a box step, we can do two dances by box step. So if we do rise and fall action and 1, 2, 3 timing, it's called waltz. So put arms like this for the guys, like this for the ladies. We're going and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So this is a dance number one, which called waltz. Waltz. Very good. Now we do the same step, but we're just gonna have soft knees, a little bit body action, body movement, Cuban motion, and we do timing slow, quick, quick, and this is American Rumba. So you go slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. So it's already how many dances? Two dances, two dances, two dances. So let's do waltz, rise and fall, box step, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Say with me, say 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Then now take arms down, a little bit hip motion. We're going slow, quick, quick, slow. Say with us, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. Same step, different action. Two dances already. Now remember our side steps. Let's go side, 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 side. Let's go other side. Side, 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 side. If we add a little bit actions, it's going to be another dance. Dance number 3, merengue. Merengue. So merengue is basically side step. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's go other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's already how many dances we learned? 3 dances. So we learn waltz, rise and fall, and we counted 1, 2, 3. Count with us. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. We learn American Rumba, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. And we learn merengue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many dances? So 4 minutes, 3 dances. Let's move on. Now, if we use the same side step and we will do a little bit tap on count 4, so we do 3 side step and tap on count 4, we have another dance, dance number 4, bachata. So it looks like this. 1, 2, 3, tap, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, tap, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we're using only side steps for it. And tap, treat it like a small side step. Therefore, we don't do anything else. Got it? So we have already how many dances? Four dances. So we get waltz, 1, 2, 3 with the beautiful 1, 2, 3. We get American rumba, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. We get merengue, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we got bachata, 1, 2, 3, tap, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, tap, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many dances? Four dances. Okay, let's move on. The next one. Remember our side step? Let's do side only 3 steps. That will be another element of dance. The number 3 element of dance is called triple step. Because number 1 was element, it just walks, any type of walks. Number 2 was a back step. Number 3 is what? Triple step. Triple step is a 3 steps. So you go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Triple step. Say with us. Triple step. Triple step. Triple step. So triple step by itself, it's already a dance as well. It's called polka. Triple step, triple step, triple step, triple step. So it's already dance number 5, polka. So let's do it together. Triple step, triple step, triple step, triple step, triple step. 5 dances. 5 dances. So let's go from beginning. 5 minutes, 5 dances. Express teaching. So you go waltz. We have a 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. American rumba. Slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick. We got merengue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We got bachata. 1, 2, 3, tap. 5, 6, 7, 8. One more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we got polka. Triple step, triple step, triple step, triple step. And all of this is a couple dancing, means all of this you can do together. We'll show you in a second. So how many dances so far? 5 dances. Very good. Now, let's learn element number 4 in dancing. Number 4. So number 1 was what? Walks. Number 2 is what? Back step. Number 3. So number 4 element is a rock step. So we'll go rock step, rock step. Say with us. Rock step, rock step, rock step, rock step. If we can do rock step from the right leg, we can do from which? Left. From the middle. No, from the right, from the left. Rock step, censored. Rock step, rock step, rock step. If we can do rock step back, we can do rock step where? Forward. So we go rock step, rock step, rock. So what is rock step? You're just rocking from foot to foot. If we could do right leg forward, we can do left leg forward. Rock step, rock step, rock step. If you can do forward and back, we can do rock step where? Side. Rock step, or maybe rock step, rock step, rock step together. And rock step is always coming back together if you're doing only rock steps without combining with other elements. So you go rock, step, side, rock, step, side. So what will happen if you combine rock step with the triple step? With the 2 triple step, we get dance which is called swing or jive. So it's already 2 more dances. So it's already 7 dances. So if you do rock, step, triple step, triple step, rock, step, triple step, triple step. Most of the time for the ladies will be right leg back for the rock step. For the guys, left leg, but could vary. So let's try with the left leg back. Rock, step, triple step, triple step, rock, step, triple step, triple step. So what's the name of this dance? Jive and swing. So 2 more dances, 7 total. So let's go from beginning. Who remember dance number 1? Just name it. Well, how we count it? 2, 3, 2. Everybody with us say 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. What's the dance number 2? Rumba. Slow. Count with us. Quick, quick, slow. Action. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick. What's the dance number 3? Merengue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. It can go all the way. 5, 6, 7, 8. What's the dance number 4? Bachata. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What was the dance number 5? Polka. We use triple step, triple step, triple step, triple step, triple step, triple step, triple step. What's dance number 6 and 7? Jive swing. Rock step, triple step, triple step, rock step, triple step, triple step, rock step, or other leg. Rock step, triple step, triple step, rock step, triple step, triple. Important than jive and swing, we have how many rock steps? One. And how many triple steps? Two triple. Then we have the basic one. All of this we can dance. All of these dances we can dance. We can dance waltz together. We can dance rumba together. We can dance merengue together. We can dance bachata together. We can dance polka together. We can dance jive swing together. All of this is a couple dances. Okay, 7 dances, 7 minutes. Let's move on. Now, if we combine 2 rock steps together, we get salsa and mambo. So it's already 9 dances. I have even more dances for you. So if we combine rock steps, so you go rock, step, together. So say this with me. Rock, step, together. And with the right leg, change foot, go back. Rock, step, together. We get salsa and mambo, 9 dances. Rock, step, together. Rock, step, together. Rock, step, together. Rock, the same side. Rock, step, together. Rock, step, together. Rock, step, together. Rock, step, together. So what are the 4 elements you learned today? There is more. There is a 15 dances you can learn. Today is 9 only. So number 1 element is what? Is walk. So we walk. We can walk forward. We can walk backward. We can walk to the right side. We can walk to the left side. Number 2 element was the box. Forward, side, together. Forward, side again. Number 3 element was the triple step, triple step. And number 4 element was a rock step. Got it? Let's say if we do extra dance for you, number 10 dance, cha-cha. So what is cha-cha? Is a rock step back plus triple step side plus rock step front. Triple step. Rock step, cha-cha step, rock step, cha-cha step. So how many dances? 10 dances already. It's good for you to start with. So let's just, all of these dances, we try with the music so you can see, and we will demonstrate how you can do it